Today we are going to solve page number 11 from Vikas Drawing and Coloring Book, class 4th. Here you can see there is a picture of some vegetables. We have to use mosaic technique to paint this picture. Here you can use watercolor, pastel colors to paint this. Here first of all I am going to do the border with the marker like this. As you can see, there is a already we have given some lines drawing on that page, but it's not visible, that's why I am going to do border. Afterwards also we are going to do border after coloring, that's why you can skip this step like this. Now here I am going to use watercolors and watercolor brush, small one and pointed. As you can see, there is some already small square rectangle. This type of shape is already drawn. We have to follow to all remaining parts with the same technique. If you are not able to do directly with the color, you can draw parts like this with the help of pencil and try to color that in simple way. There is a for mosaic technique we have two types of to do this thing, to making a texture of this. One, we have to give directly like this shape. As you can see, we are going to follow this technique here. In 2D design also we are going to use this type of technique to making a texture, but that time we have to give the one color light color wash on that object, on that part. Then we have to make some texture with this technique with the dark color. Okay, there is a two way. One, directly we have to start it, unless we have to give the one light color wash or respected color. That also we are going to solve afterwards in 2D design. Now in this book you can see we have to do directly. Actually there is no shape of any respected like a triangle or square. You can start to draw any shape, but we have to leave some space between these two shapes. You can make gradation also to show that drawings roundity. As you can see here, I use a light blue on top side, and downside I am going to use pointed color shades to show the dark portion. Now on next I am going to use green color with the same way. Way of coloring is remains same, but changes in color and gradation. Follow this technique to all remaining parts. This technique is useful in 2D design to make textures, to show the golden points. This is an useful technique. Now color the all remaining parts with the same technique. After this we have some next drawing like the overlapping and carving technique with the help of oil pastels. I am going to show that also. In next video we are going to learn this thing. Now on this page only two parts is remaining. Here I am going to use red color. Use a pointed brush, clean it well. Take a one rough cloth to clean that brush. When you putting in other color, make that sure the brush is clean and water also should be clean. And take plenty and much quantity of water, because sometimes some students are taking a little bit water. That time they are not able to take perfect color shade, because in water there have mixtures of different colors. That's why if you want a specific color effect, we are not able to get it. That's why you have to take much water, how much you have required. In big bowl you have to take. Now I am going to use green color. Those have indicated already on that page on left hand side. After coloring, we have to do border with the black sketch pen, watercolor pen also we call that, like this. Now for that lemon you have to use yellow color. Yellow color of having the shades like lemon yellow, cadmium yellow, yellow color deep. You can take any color those is suitable for you. Now after this I am going to do border with the black color pen, watercolor pen we called it sketch pen also, like this. After border it looks like more better, and that time we are able to identify the outline of that shape. Now today we learn page number